You should have a foot pedal, a power cord, instructions, and the SandStorm Professional. The first step is to plug the short light assembly cord into the fan receptacle. Then, plug the power cord into the fan assembly. Plug the cord into an outlet. Next, remove the lid from the abrasive tank. Remove the sample bag filled with abrasive. Fill the tank with abrasive. Do not fill past the fill line. Here's a pro tip. Always check to make sure the O-ring is in the lid before capping the tank. If the O-ring isn't present during operation, the tank will leak and abrasive will get into the threads. If this happens, the tank could be damaged and will need to be replaced. Make sure it's in all the way. The lid's starting position is the same as the ending position. Screw on the lid until you feel the O-ring engage. To turn on the light and fan, twist the switch clockwise. Same with turning it off. This is the air pressure regulator. Connect the air line here. If you need technical assistance, please call 800-826-4626. To adjust the air pressure, lift the black knob, turn it, then push it down. Twist the knob to unlock the cabinet. Be sure to lock the cabinet before blasting. Slip your hands into the cuffs. Step on the pedal to begin the blasting sequence. Abrasive will continuously flow while the pedal is pressed. Please note, each application may have a different blasting technique. When you remove your foot from the pedal, there will be a bleed off. The bleed off is a result of the abrasive tank depressurizing. To lessen this, keep your abrasive tank on the full side. Here's a pro tip, keep blasting during the bleed off. To help reduce making a mess, slowly remove your hands from the cabinet after blasting.